Hello, friends. Welcome back to the JeDoVi channel. I am Nelda and co-creator of the JeDoVi shop, and today we are talking about something very important. What do you do when your business doesn't feel like you anymore? Let's get into 5 signs it might be time to reinvent the wheel, and 3 powerful ways on how to start today. Trust me, we lived this several times, and we just recently reinvented ourselves again. Join me and see how.
1. Your business feels out of alignment. You're still showing up, but it doesn't feel like it reflects you anymore. That's a sign. 2. You're uninspired by your own offers. If you aren't excited by what you're selling, your audience can feel that. 3. You dread posting content. You avoid going live, reels feel forced, your captions feel stale. I get it, been there. 4. You're constantly comparing yourself to others. Instead of feeling proud, you're questioning everything. Reinvention might help you rediscover your lane. 5. You secretly wish you could start over. But here's the truth, you don't have to start over. You just need to start different. Okay, now let's shift from signs to action. Here are 3 ways you can begin right now. 1. Reconnect with your why. Ask yourself, what got me excited when I first started? What do I care about now? Let your why evolve with you. 2. Explore new formats or products. This was huge for us. We pivoted from cardstock to 3D printed dragons, planters, crochet plushies, completely reinventing our creative flow. 3. Start small. Test boldly. You don't have to blow everything up overnight. Start by testing new ideas. Maybe it's a product, a format, or a new audience. The truth is, reinvention is a strength, not a failure. If your business is whispering something needs to change, listen to it. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one of these signs do you relate to most? Drop it in the comments. And if this helped, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share with another creative entrepreneur who needs this reminder.